Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we'll be talking about the #1 skill that every entrepreneur needs. So if that sounds interesting to you, hit the like button, subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the #1 skill that every entrepreneur needs is the ability to sell anything. As an entrepreneur, you have to know how to reach the right person with the right product at the right time. So in this video, I'll be talking about the skills you need to know in selling anything as an entrepreneur. So the first skill that you need is you need to make people believe in your product or service. You have to make people believe that your product is one of the best products. Your product is something that they actually need in their life. Your service is going to help people go to the next level. Your service is going to impact people's lives. You have to make your customer believe that. If your product seems like it's not worth it to anyone, then you're going to have to work in your product, work on delivering your message to make people believe in your product. And once you have that down pat, you'll be good to go. The next skill you would need to know is to learn how to match your product or service with the right audience. You can have the best product or service in the world, but if you're not marketing it to the right audience, then your product is null and void, and you will feel that. So it's up to us to do our due diligence and research and study on who our perfect customer avatar is. Once we find that perfect match, once we continue to bring in that data, we will start to figure out who it is that we want to target and scale from there. And the next thing you will have to do is deliver on the promise of what your product or service can do. So once you start getting those customers that you did your research on and you start giving them your product or service, if the reviews that they give you are not good, then you're going to have to work on that. Because if you want to sustain your business, then you're going to have to make sure that your product delivers on exactly how you hype it up to be. Once you have all of those 3 things in place, you will be in the golden place, and the sky's the limit from there. So thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a comment. Let me know what it is that you do and what tactics you use to get your customers. Make sure you watch this video right here, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless.